Adoption, read with Kara Guidelines, 2017, and the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956. 1. Meaning of adoption. Adoption is a legal process by which a child is permanently separated from biological parents and becomes the lawful child of the adoptive parents, with all rights, privileges, and obligations equal to a biological child. In India, adoption is governed by personal laws, like Hindu law, and secular guidelines for all communities, Kara Guidelines. 2. The Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956, Hammer. Hammer applies only to Hindus, including Hindus by religion, Buddhists, Jains, Sikhs, persons who are not Muslims, Christians, Parsis or Jews. Section 2. Nature of adoption under Hindu law. Adoption is sacramental plus secular. Creates a complete legal parent-child relationship. Adopted child is treated as natural-born child. 3. Who can take a child in adoption? Section 7 and 8. Hammer. A. Male Hindu. Section 7. A male Hindu can adopt if he is major and of sound mind. If married, right pointing arrow, wife's consent is mandatory, unless O wife is dead, O wife has renounced the world, O wife is declared of unsound mind by court. B. Female Hindu. Section 8. A female Hindu can adopt if she is major and of sound mind. She is O unmarried, or O widow, or O divorced. A married woman cannot adopt independently during subsistence of marriage. 4. Who can be given in adoption? Section 9. Hammer. A child may be given in adoption by 1. Father, with mother's consent. 2. Mother, if father is dead, incapable. 3. Guardian, with prior court permission. 5. Who can be adopted? Section 10. Hammer. A child must be a Hindu, be unmarried, unless custom allows, be below 15 years, unless custom allows, not have already been adopted. 6. Conditions for a valid adoption. Section 11. Hammer. Important rules. 1. If adopting a son, right pointing arrow, adoptive parents must not already have a living Hindu son, son's son. 2. If adopting a daughter, right pointing arrow, adoptive parents must not already have a living Hindu daughter. 3. Age difference rule. O male adopting female, right pointing arrow, minimum 21 years difference. 4. Actual giving and taking ceremony is essential. Datta Homam is not mandatory. 7. Effects of adoption. Section 12. Hammer. After adoption, child becomes full member of adoptive family. All ties with biological family are severed. Adopted child has O right to inheritance, O right to maintenance. Adoptive parents assume all parental responsibilities. Warning exception. Property vested before adoption remains unaffected. 8. Kara Guidelines, 2017. The Central Adoption Resource Authority, Kara, is a statutory body under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Purpose of Kara Guidelines: regulate in-country and inter-country adoptions, ensure child's best interest, prevent trafficking and illegal adoption. 9. Who can adopt under Kara Guidelines? Applicable to all citizens, irrespective of religion. Eligible persons: married couples, single female, single male cannot adopt a girl child. NRIs and foreign nationals, special procedure. Age criteria, 2017 guidelines. Age of child, maximum composite age of parents. Up to 4 years, 90 years, 4 to 8 years, 100 years. Age of child, maximum composite age of parents. 8 to 18 years, 110 years. 10. Kara Adoption Procedure, Simplified. 1. Online registration on Kara Portal. 2. Home Study Report, HSR. 3. Child Referral. 4. Acceptance of Child. 5. Court Order. 6. Follow-up Reports. 11. HAMA vs. Kara, Key Differences. Point. Hammer. Kara Guidelines. Applicable to only Hindus, all citizens. Governing Law. Statute, 1956 Act, Guidelines plus JJ Act. Court Role. Limited. Mandatory. Inter-country adoption not covered. Covered. Registration. Not mandatory. Mandatory. 12. Important case law, for exams. Lakshman Singh Kothari v. Roop Kanwar. Actual giving and taking is essential. VTS Chandrasekhara Mudaliar v. Kulandevelu Mudaliar. Adoption strictly statutory. 13. Conclusion, exam-friendly. Hammer governs adoption among Hindus with strict conditions. CARA Guidelines, 2017 provide a uniform, child-centric mechanism. Adoption today is both a legal right and welfare measure. If you want, I can also provide. Checkmark short exam notes. Checkmark. Flow. Brajendra V. State of MP. Brajendra V. State of MP. Citation. Air 2008 South Carolina 1058. Facts of the case. The dispute arose regarding the validity of adoption claimed under Hindu law. The accused relied on adoption to assert certain legal rights, status. The prosecution challenged the adoption, arguing that the mandatory legal requirements under the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956, Hammer, were not fulfilled. The matter reached the Supreme Court. Issues before the court: 1. Whether the alleged adoption was valid in law under Hammer. 2. Whether mere acknowledgement or long-standing belief of adoption is sufficient. 3. Whether strict proof of adoption is required when legal consequences flow from it. Held. Decision. The Supreme Court held that the adoption was not validly proved. Ratio decidendi, legal principle. Adoption under Hindu law is a statutory act, not a matter of convenience or belief. Strict compliance with the provisions of the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956 is mandatory. Heavy burden of proof lies on the person who claims adoption. Actual giving and taking ceremony is an essential requirement unless clearly proved otherwise. Long possession, treatment as a son, or entries in records cannot substitute legal proof of adoption. Key observations of the court. Adoption changes the status of a person permanently, affecting O. Inheritance, O. Family lineage, O. Legal rights and obligations. Therefore, courts must insist on strict proof, especially when O. Adoption is used as a defense in criminal or civil liability. Presumptions or sentiments cannot replace statutory requirements. Relevant provisions involved. Section 6, Hammer, requisites of a valid adoption. Section 11, Hammer, conditions for valid adoption, giving and taking. Importance of the case, exam point of view. Why this case is important. Reaffirms that adoption is not presumed. Clarifies that customary or informal adoption has no value unless legally proved. Frequently cited for O. Burden of proof in adoption. O. Strict interpretation of Hammer. One-line exam answer. In Brajendra V. State of MP, AIR 2008 South Carolina 1058, the Supreme Court held that adoption under Hindu law must be strictly proved in accordance with the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956, and mere long recognition or belief is insufficient. Link with adoption plus CARA, Hammer topic. This case highlights why formal procedures, like those under CARA or Hammer, are necessary. It discourages illegal, informal, or unregistered adoptions. If you want, I can also provide. Checkmark 2 to 3 mark answer. Checkmark. In re. Adoption of Pilot Sharini Vinay Pathak and his wife Sunika Sahai Pathak. Citation. In re. Adoption of Pilot Sharini Vinay Pathak and his wife Sunika Sahai Pathak. Citation 2010, 1, Bombay County Route 434, Court, Bombay High Court. Background, facts. The petitioners, Sharini Vinay Pathak and his wife Sunika Sahai Pathak, were biological parents of a minor girl child Payal. They sought permission of the Bombay High Court to give their own biological child in adoption to another couple. The adoption was proposed under the framework of CARA guidelines in the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act, rather than under Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956, Hammer. The issue arose because Hammer does not permit parents to give their own child in adoption to another couple through court unless conditions of Section 9 are strictly met. Issues before the court: 1. Whether biological parents can voluntarily give their child in adoption through court. 2. Whether adoption can be permitted outside Hammer under CARA guidelines, JJ Act. 3. Whether the welfare of the child is the paramount consideration. Held. Decision. The Bombay High Court allowed the adoption, subject to compliance with statutory safeguards. Ratio decidendi, legal principles laid down, small diamond welfare of the child is paramount. The court reiterated that child welfare overrides technicalities of personal law. If adoption serves the best interest of the child, it should be permitted. Small diamond adoption under JJ Act is independent of personal laws. The court held that adoption under the Juvenile Justice Act read with CARA guidelines is a complete code in itself. Such adoption is available to all citizens irrespective of religion. Small diamond hammer is not the only mode of adoption. While hammer governs adoption among Hindus, JJ Act adoption provides an alternative statutory route. Courts can permit adoption even where hammer conditions are not satisfied, provided JJ Act requirements are fulfilled. Key observations. Adoption under JJ Act is secular and child-centric. Consent of biological parents must be O. free, O. informed, O. voluntary. Court must ensure O. no trafficking, O. no coercion, O. compliance with CARA procedure. Legal provisions involved. Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act. CARA Guidelines. Section 9, Hammer, discussed for contrast. Importance of the case, exam-oriented. Why this case is important. Clarifies the relationship between Hammer and JJ Act. Establishes that adoption under the JJ Act is not controlled by personal laws. Frequently cited to support O. interreligious adoption, O. court-supervised adoption, O. CARA-based adoption. One-line exam answer. In re. Adoption of Payal, 2010 Bombay County Route 434, the Bombay High Court held that adoption under the Juvenile Justice Act read with CARA guidelines is independent of personal laws, and the welfare of the child is the paramount consideration. Comparison link, very useful for exams. Case. Principal. Brajendra V. State of MP. 2008, adoption under hammer requires strict proof. Adoption of Payal, 2010, JJ Act adoption overrides personal law limits. If you want next. Checkmark difference between hammer adoption and JJ Act adoption. Checkmark. Short 5-mark answer. Checkmark. Case law note with Shyara Bano, secular laws. Checkmark. Flowchart for CARA-based adoption. Just say the word books. Sabnam Hashmi v. Union of India. Union of India. Citation Sabnam Hashmi v. Union of India. Citation 2014 to Union of Sabnam Hashmi v. Union of India. Citation 2014 to Scale 529 Court, Supreme Court of India. Facts of the case. Sabnam Hashmi, a social activist, challenged the religion-based restrictions on adoption in India. She argued that adoption should be recognized as a fundamental right, available irrespective of religion. The issue arose because O. adoption under personal laws, like hammer, is religion-specific, and O. many communities, e.g., Muslims, Christians, Parsis, traditionally did not have a full legal concept of adoption. The petitioner relied on the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act and CARA framework. Issues before the court. 1. Whether the right to adopt is a fundamental right under the Constitution. 2. Whether adoption under the Juvenile Justice Act is available to persons of all religions. 3. Whether personal laws restrict the operation of secular adoption laws. Held decision. The Supreme Court dismissed the petition, but laid down important principles. Ratio decidendi, legal principles. Small diamond right to adopt is not a fundamental right. The court held that adoption is a statutory right, not a fundamental right under Article 21. No person can claim adoption is an enforceable constitutional right. Small diamond right to be adopted is a child's right. Emphasis was placed on the rights and welfare of the child, not the right of adults to adopt. Small diamond JJ Act provides a secular route of adoption. Adoption under the Juvenile Justice Act is independent of personal laws. Any person, irrespective of religion, can adopt a child under the JJ Act, if they choose to do so. Small diamond personal law adoption is optional. Individuals are not compelled to follow personal laws. They may voluntarily opt for adoption under the JJ Act CARA mechanism. Key observations of the court. Personal laws are protected, but they do not bar the operation of a secular adoption law. The court balanced O. freedom of religion, Article 25, and O. child welfare and uniform civil principles. The judgment promotes inclusive and child-centric adoption policy. Statutory provisions discussed. Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act. Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956. Articles 14, 21, and 25 of the Constitution of India. Importance of the case, exam-oriented. Why this case is important? Landmark judgment on secular adoption. Clarifies that adoption under JJ Act is available to all, regardless of religion. Frequently cited word. O Adoption of Payal, 2010 BOM HC. Okara Guidelines. One-line exam answer. In Sabnam Hashmi v. Union of India, 2014, the Supreme Court held that the right to adopt is not a fundamental right, but adoption under the Juvenile Justice Act is a secular statutory right available to persons of all religions. Comparative understanding, very useful for exams. Case. Principle. Brajendra v. State of MP. 2008, strict proof required under Hammer. Adoption of Payal, 2010, JJ Act. Adoption overrides personal law limits. Sabnam Hashmi, 2014, JJ Act. Adoption is secular, no fundamental right. If you want, I can now help with checkmark 5/10 mark answer combining all three cases. Checkmark. HAMA versus JJ Act vs Kara, exam table. Checkmark. Constitutional angle of adoption. Checkmark. Latest position after JJ Act, 20. Manju Sharma v. Vipin. Manju Sharma v. Vipin. Citation 2019 SCC Online Del 8960 decided on the 1st of July 2019 Court, Delhi High Court. Facts of the case. The dispute related to the validity of an adoption claimed under the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act, 1956, Hammer. One party asserted adoption to claim legal rights, status, while the other party denied the existence of a valid adoption. The alleged adoption was based largely on documents, conduct, and long treatment of the child as adopted, without clear proof of statutory compliance. Issues before the court: 1. Whether the alleged adoption was validly proved under Hammer. 2. Whether documents, photographs, or long-standing recognition are sufficient to prove adoption. 3. Whether strict proof of giving and taking ceremony is mandatory. Held decision. The Delhi High Court held that the adoption was not proved and therefore not legally valid. Ratio decidendi, legal principles laid down, small diamond adoption must be strictly proved. Adoption under Hindu law is a statutory act, not a matter of presumption. The burden of proof lies heavily on the person who claims adoption. Small diamond. Giving and taking is mandatory. Actual giving and taking of the child is an essential condition under Section 11, HAMA. Mere execution of documents or social acceptance cannot replace the ceremony. Small diamond conduct or records are not conclusive. School records, Aadhaar entries, ration cards, photographs, or affidavits. O may support a claim. O but cannot by themselves establish a valid adoption. Relevant legal provisions. Section 6, Hammer, requisites of a valid adoption. Section 11, Hammer, conditions including actual giving and taking. Key observations of the court. Adoption permanently alters a person's status, lineage, and inheritance rights. Because of its serious civil consequences, courts must insist on strict compliance with statutory requirements. Sympathy, equity, or long usage cannot override the law. Importance of the case, exam-oriented. Why this case is important? Reaffirms the settled position that adoption under Hammer cannot be presumed and must be strictly proved. Often cited along with O. Lakshman Singh Kothari v. Roop Kanwar, O. Brajendra v. State of MP. One-line exam answer. In Manju Sharma v. Vipin, 2019 SCC Online Del 8960. The Delhi High Court held that adoption under the Hindu Adoptions and Maintenance Act must be strictly proved and cannot be inferred merely from documents or long recognition without proof of actual giving and taking. Case linking for better answers. Case. Principle. Lakshman Singh Kothari giving and taking is essential. Brajendra v. State of MP heavy burden of proof of adoption. Manju Sharma v. Vipin documents, recognition not sufficient. If you want next, I can prepare. Checkmark 5 mark answer combining all adoption cases. Checkmark. Hammer adoption proof checklist. Checkmark. Difference between Hammer adoption and JJ Act adoption. Check mark. MCQs for exam practice. Just